Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the village today. As you can see, one thing about the village, one thing about black parents, typical black parents, not your 21st century parents, typical black parents, they have stuff. So do not cabinet. Why, you may ask? Because the cabinet is full of space, girl. Anyway, I'm in the village today, and yeah, I don't know what time it is. It's around 9, and I want to make my dad breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to my garden. I have a garden, guys. I have a garden. Yes, I was binge watching Very Good Gardening or Gardening with Tara on Facebook. I don't know if it's there on TikTok, but now I was watching it on Facebook, and then I was like, what's stopping me from having a backyard garden? Also, we had a millionaire summit earlier this year, again, and there was a girl. I'm sorry, girl, I forgot your name. There was a girl, she has a big garden. She has a big farm now, and she supplies ShopRite. She was like, I started a backyard garden, get rabo minty and. I was like, what's stopping me from having a backyard garden? I have the land, I have water, and I have 21 pula because it has 21 pula go spa. This go spa go sit Korea. I hate flies. Like, I hate flies with a passion. Like, nobody can convince me that summer is a good month. No one. Like, what do you mean, girl? What do you mean? We just jumped straight from winter. Sun. Havana. Anyway, it's quite windy outside today, so I'm gonna go outside. Okay, I'm gonna make breakfast first and then go outside. Let's see what the garden has for us today. I can't believe oh my god, I just cannot believe that actually stuff that I planted with my hands is bearing fruits outside. Because mind you, not everybody can have a garden. I'm lying, everyone can have a garden. I want to be special here. Anyway, so millionaire summit interested, because one thing about us, our kingdom, do what's not kingdom what? Listen us there. Anyway, I'm gonna make my dad breakfast, and then I'm gonna go outside to harvest the fruit of my hands. The fruit of what? My womb. Yeah. Anyway, my mood today is because yesterday I was like, you know the video? Yeah, yesterday my mood was like, but today we went to church. Yes. Don't ask me why my bonnet is inside out. Mind your business. Inside out. I can't speak. So yes. So yeah, yesterday was pow. It was nuts. And I saw a lot of people that I know. I was like, I know you saw that invite from my status. Thank you for honoring the invite, even though, yeah, something like that. Let me not take the credit. Maybe somebody invited them out there. Whatever. But, yeah. Anyway, let's go. Okay, let's make breakfast and go outside. Guys, plans changed. So this is me going to the shops now. Can't I go because it cannot be mine. It cannot be making those weird sounds. I'm sorry, guys. And my lips ashy. My lips are always ashy. Not always, but yeah, go shoppers. Make it go choppies. I couldn't find anything I wanted to go choppies. So I'm going to shoppers. I don't know if I should buy the 2 kg today or tomorrow. I don't know if I should go to Spa. I don't want to go to Spa. I can't go to shoppers. I go Spa because 2 kg cheaper go Spa. And then I go shoppers again. Hey, let me think. I'll get back to you. Yeah. And then this part is I got to get chilies. I get chilies. Yeah. And then morogo. And then onions. Carrot. Okay. Green pepper. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My chanza. It's Sunday and I did not vlog anything. Is that loud? I think it's loud. Yeah, I did not vlog anything today because today was so hectic. But I went to church with my dad and yeah, very eventful. I'll tell you, a very eventful day. So right now I can't show you the state of my room. So yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll vlog tomorrow as well because I didn't do anything today, child. I didn't vlog anything. After church I came and slept. No, I cooked lunch and slept. So yeah, good monza, good peoples, good monza. Today I was supposed to be on my way back to Kalape, but look at my life, and I look like all of my problems combined. Ming, come on, tell you telephone. Every cashier, hey, got a cashier to telephone. Your doesn't go hookers, but those our candy sweets, magickies. Yes, I'm in Mochudi, so it's okay for me to look like this. I am trying to please anybody. So yeah, oh, that's a human being. Anyway, I hope I never tell like oh, get to love for scary. Hi guys, I don't know what's happening because I don't know why. So I got this sour lips, sour tongues, and they were 37.95. So I'm gonna 150 each. Got the 75. Again, I'm always thinking money. Need to go guys. So let's do a taste test. Oh, it's not gonna. I think it's more sweet than sour. It's quite hot in the garden today, so I'm gonna do a little bit of harvesting. Yeah. So where should I put you? Not my other phone saying iPhone storage full. Wild. So like I was saying, I'm leaving Mochudi now on my way to Kalape. The time is 15:28. So half 3, half 4, half 5, half 6. By the grace of Jesus. Yeah, so I was gonna play music for you guys, but phone I'm very memorable. So but I want to taste this winter edition. Had the ice vanilla flavor. I want to taste it. So I'd give you guys a review, but my memory is full, so what do we say? It's okay. Did you guys used to play sport? Because sport was so nice. Yeah. Anyway, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just arrived. I unboxed my Shien order with you guys. Yes, I'm pampering, yeah, Netflix, because I had to open. Does it maybe please share a level? Mexican food with power. I got these two things. Yeah. Washing machine. I don't know how it works though. Like it traps lint. I gotta wait for a spoon on like a lint trapper thing. So yeah, this thing. I don't know how it works though. I don't know how it works, but I guess we'll put together on the washing machine and hook up a lint. I don't know. So I got two of them. And then I got my China. Because I think I'll get 250 nails, 120 nails. My China I got almond. I got, hey, this is coffin, and then this is almond tips. And then I got long coffin. Yeah. And then I got these pens, the 20. I'm selling them for 12 kilo each. And then I got a builder gel. I don't even remember what I ordered from. Then I got the Bible tabs. I'm selling them for 46 kilo each. And then I got the nail polish. Oh my god! 7 ml. I was not expecting this at all. The 2, 4, 6. I was not expecting this at all. Can't want to know what's wrong. Have a scalp gel. Why it's so long? And then I got this keychain. Yeah, God is good. I trust in the Lord with all your heart. And then this is the blooming gel. What are blooming jelly making? And then keychain, I can do all things through Christ. And then keychain, ready friendship, what. And then I'm believing because I love Jesus, the keychain. And then I got this. What are these? Oh, kitty brush. That's enough. I'm serious about learning how to do nails now. I hope it's still recording because I can't really remember. And then Moko sculpt down like the gel. And then I got shoes. Before I was rudely interrupted by this phone saying, "Let's do more." I wanted to show you guys the last two things that the video cut before I showed you. I don't know I got them from Shien. Shien. I got these wicker shoes. They're lighter than I thought they would be, but 120 rand. So I guess, yeah, these are the shoes, and I want to wear them today. Yes, these are the shoes that I got, and then it's Shien shoes, and I was surprised that I know my size. It's a size 37. I didn't know what 37 again, so they fit just to a T. Editing combo here. I realized that I didn't close off the vlog. Are we shocked? No, we're not. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and become a part of the family. Before we close off the vlog, we're tasting this drink. It's American cream soda, no sugar, since 1987. You're on a bar with a double R. That would be. Twice. But one need about no sugar. It's green. Oh my god, it's not green, but it tastes like cream soda, but it's not green. That's crazy. That's crazy business. Anyway, I'm eating wimpy chips, and I hope you are good to somebody because you do not know what they're going through. Be nice to people, guys. And then after tasting any snacks and drinking, is it worth 20 Buddha? I don't think so. Anyway, I hope you are nice to somebody, love on somebody, know that you are loved. You deserve better. You deserve more. You don't deserve the bare minimum. Jesus loves you, and you matter. Bye.